Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable search box in Opera GX address bar. How to enable or disable search box in Opera GX address bar. So let's get started. From the home menu, then click and then select settings. Then on the left menu over here, click on features. On the right side, scroll down until you see user interface. Edit, and then scroll down until you see what you're looking for, which is enable search box. Enable search box in the address bar. So if you want it enabled, leave it here. If you want to disable it, turn it off. Now in case you're wondering what I'm talking about, this is the search box in the tab bar. In the address bar, actually, this is the search box. So if I enable it, I can search for something here. So Google popcorn. Now if I want to disable it, so the options are there. It's as simple as that.